Every kitchen is designed differently, with its own style and its own way of living. German engineered to integrate seamlessly into modern kitchens. Compact, open, modular, or evolving, it adapts effortlessly to your space. Its engineered depth fits perfectly into your kitchen. The anti-collision hinge opens the doors wide for seamless, everyday access. Opens freely without rubbing against surrounding cabinetry. For flexible Indian homes, fresh, frozen, and everyday essentials stay thoughtfully organized. With VitaFresh Flex, choose from 3 temperature settings: one for fresh produce, one for delicate everyday essentials, and one for frozen favorites. Sliding storage keeps everything within reach. A dedicated freezer zone keeps frozen essentials effortlessly organized. Bottom-driven heat dissipation manages heat efficiently, preserving the clean kitchen aesthetic. Thoughtfully designed for the way modern kitchens live, grow, and evolve. Introducing India's first 4-door, side-by-side refrigerator with the perfect fit for your kitchen.